you have clicked the right video. I don't want to waste your time, guys. Without further ado, let's get started. So in the first place, you need to turn on and off your internet connection. These simple hacks can help you to overcome your issue. Once you've done that, the next thing you need to do is that you need to update your Instagram app. You need to update your Instagram app. To update your Instagram app, you need to open your Play Store and make sure you turn on Wi-Fi too. After that, you need to search Instagram on the search bar, and then you need to update the Instagram app by clicking on update. Once you updated your Instagram app, go back and check whether your problem is fixed or not. If not, then I would like to suggest you another way to fix it. So the next thing you can do to fix it is that go to your settings of your phone. Now find out the section called apps. Tap on manage apps. Now you can search Instagram on the search bar, or you finally you need to clear the cache file of Instagram app. I hope this method work out. If not, then try next method. Next thing you can do to resolve this issue is that you can log in and log out your Instagram account. Go to your Instagram app and log out your Instagram, and then again re-log in your Instagram app. These simple tricks might solve your issue. If it doesn't solve your issue, then there's the last thing you can do to fix this issue is that you need to convert your video to Instagram video format. To do this, you need to open your Google Chrome and search Instagram video converter. Instagram video format converter. Once you saw that, you need to head over to the first link, and now you need to upload your video. So let's just assume that you have the video file in, it could be in MX app, it could be in OGG or whatever it is. You need to select your video file. So let's just assume that I have an MPG video file, and now you need to upload that video file into here. So once you upload that video file here, you need to go down and tap on start. This will convert your any video file. It could be in anywhere, so you need to choose the option first, and then you need to convert your video file to MP4. Once you converted your video file, you can upload that video file into your Instagram stories. I hope this will definitely gonna fix your issue. If not, then please let me know in the comment section. Hopefully this video helped you to fix your issue. Make sure you subscribe our channel so that you could enjoy the trustworthy and well-researched video on tech-related issue. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.